What's your name?
Papa.
What's your name? How old are you?
I'm 2.
That's right. And can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. And do you know what letter your name starts with? And what letter does your name start with?
D.
That's right.
And Daddy goes with D.
That's right. And what does Mommy start with? And what does Rivka start with? Very good. Uh-oh, there she goes. You are silly.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Listen.
Oh no! There goes Deborah. Oh dear. You're upside down. You are silly.
I needed that upside.